Okay, I came up with this 2 parallel way to check tram of my head. So over here, it hits a 0 point, swing it around. Over here, hits a 0 point, swing it around here, hits a 0 point, and then swing it around here, and it hits +6. What? +3, +10, +6, -10, or +10. Look, there's +12, +10. See, it's like drooping. +6, +10. Anyway, I'm able to go around. These are nice parallels. Like, that's the beauty of it, as I can go around. Right now, I'm not making, like, perfect contact with the... So this can droop sometimes. You see that? Oh, maybe that's my... Well, that doesn't help at all. So this indical really is not that good. So let's try it again. Just bring it in. Bring the table up. Square it off, hit 0. And I'm lightly turning this, and I've got the lightest of loads on there. You know, for the home hobby shop, like, that's 3/10. The other thing about my setup here is I've got the quill down pretty far, almost all the way. I'm on these 2 parallels, and I'm also on a not so worn side of the table. Usually there's a bow in the table. So I'm going to call that pretty good for the home shop. I could probably do better, but I'm just not going to. This is a Starrett 196, and I got this idea to do this from Tom at Ox Tools. And this was a beautiful way to do things, because you don't have to read behind a mirror. You don't have to guess it out, like in terms of, you know, reading in weird, awkward positions. You can always read from the top. But I've never seen this 2 parallel method before, and looking for your opinions. I think it's working for me.